Maybe. Okay. Hi guys, this is Doggy Gamer, and today I'm playing Agario with my best buddy in the world again. Her name is Tiffany Gamer, and you should go check out her channel because, yeah, my phone just went off. So if you hear a 2D2, don't freak out. It's just me. And let's get right into the game. I hope. What'd you just say?
I met my siblings.
You met your siblings?
Yeah.
Yay!
They're about to eat me too. No.
Family love. I died. I'm sad now.
I'm about to die.
Yay! Alright, do you wanna actually team up? Yeah? Are you gonna eat me this time? Like in the last video? Cause someone hectic times. No, don't kill me, ghost. I'm starving. Like my stomach is like yum. Ah! What was that noise? Oh, that was funny.
Oh my god, someone's name is Star Wars.
Oh my god.
I think it is.
Wait. Oh my god.
It's a leaderboard.
Really? Where?
For one, I think.
One is not Star Wars. One is like Chinese.
Okay, well, it looks.
So you just psyched me out thinking that the leaderboard said Star Wars.
I'm sorry.
You suck. Aha! I know I love you. Thank you.
So pretty.
Come here. I'm gonna eat you.
Okay, let's be in the top right corner. Just warning you, I'm kind of slow.
Oh, I keep feeding the wrong people. I'm trying to feed this wolf because he gave me like all of him.
No! I was so big!
What was that noise? Yay! I need to move you closer to my audio thing. Cause I want people to hear you this time. Oh god. No. Don't you freaking dare. Okay.
Panda, you eat me.
Okay. There we go. I'm actually doing pretty good this round. Oh my god, what if one of us get on the leaderboard?
I would flip.
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you. You have to be a little bit louder.
I'm about to flip.
Why?
Because I just got eaten for the third time.
Good job! Woohoo!
You keep eating me.
Oh crap. I know what you're trying to do, and you're not gonna do it.
Oh, you
Okay. Because I got skills.
You little butt.
I've got skills on the mind. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Who's number one in your leaderboard right now?
Tomorrowland.
Okay.
Isn't that a movie?
Yeah.
I haven't seen it yet, but I kind of want to.
It was out like a long.
Alright, I'm out of here. I'm gonna die if I stay. I'm trying to get really big so I can get on at least number 10 on the leaderboard. Cause that would be such a great accomplishment. Yeah. Where are you?
I'm going to the top right corner, but I keep dying on my way.
Why are you going to the top right corner?
That way I can meet you.
I'm not up there though.
Hello.
What?
Look down.
Oh my god, you're so small and so cute. Oh, it's so adorable. Alright, I'm scared because there's a really big person. Well, we don't have to go to the top right corner. Payback! Woohoo!
I hate you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to eat you, but that actually planned out really well. See, that's payback from the last video. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, go check it out because she was rude and she tricked me and she ate me. So rude. But hey, we're even now. Sorry. Well, I guess we have to go to the top right corner now. Yeah. There's so many smiley faces. What the hell? I'm getting free food. Hey, I see you. Wait, you're by a fox. I'm right here. Alright, I'm gonna try to feed you. Okay.
Feed me.
Up there. Up front. Up front. Go up. No! Buddy! Oh, did you see that? I didn't do that. I swear it wasn't me. Thank you.
Not to you. The person saying.
There's really big people, and it's kind of scaring me.
I almost self. Banana ate me. My own sister ate me.
Oh my god, Christine, if you showed Christina this video, she would be so scared because she's scared of bananas.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yes.
I found Team Poo. I mean, oh my god, I said Team Poo. I meant Team Pro. I didn't mean it.
I'm on Team Banana.
I'm on team. I'm gonna murder you.
I was ganged up on.
Yay!
I hate you. Why is that something to be gay about?
I don't know. I felt like yang. See, I want to eat this person, but I know that they're gonna bind soon. If you want Iowa. Oh. I need, like, glasses. I thought that said, if you want Iowa, but it says you of Iowa. LOLs, guys. Can't eat me. No. I can't eat this person, and now I'm really mad because I can't eat them. Let me eat you. No!
There was someone named Momo.
I don't care.
Help me.
Hungry hippos, I'm ready to play. Hungry hippos, I am not lying. No! I died. I did very good though. Like, seriously. Alright.
Don't eat me. Please,
Dude,
please.
a tomato just murdered me. I've been mauled.
Give me it.
Darth Maul killed me. 8-Ball! Will you leave me alone, 8-Ball? Seriously.
Bill?
Yes, this person understands the language of jibber jabber. Where's jibber jabber? Jibber jabber. Hello. I'm like all alone in the middle of nowhere.
Can you like meet up with me? Top right corner.
Where are you?
Top right corner.
Okay. Well, luckily to you, I'm at the top of the thing.
Well,
I died.
It's actually time for me to end this. So I hope you guys liked the video, and yeah, come here.
Me?
No.
Oh, good, because I was like, I'm dead. What are you talking about?
And I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye guys. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.
Oh, that was awesome. All right. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Agaria with Friends. And yeah, hopefully in the future we can have more. Just leave a like, hopefully a nice like or whatever. A nice comment and a nice subscription because those are all nice things. Okay. Bye guys. Tiffany, yeah! Buddy! Oh my god! So rude. I'm out for revenge. Just wait for the next video. I'm gonna get you. Okay, bye! Yeah.
Oh my god, I was backing off.
Uh-huh. Sure. Stupid computer will load and let me exit. There we go. Alright, bye guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Out for revenge is next time. Bye.